Hi, my name is Hayat. I work in the beauty industry. I had the chance to meet Farah at various business events, and while talking to her, it triggered me because I really wanted to take my life to the next level. And I felt that with someone like Farah by my side, I could really ask myself the right question and remove any subconscious blockages or remove anything that would prevent me from tapping into my full potential and tapping into my dreams. So by working with her, I realized that very quickly a lot of mind blockages shifted, and as a result, I saw that a lot of improvement in my personal life, in my professional life, and I see much more opportunities coming to me. So I highly recommend Farah, and I also recommended her to many of my friends who had the same feedback.